more American muscle cars. You know, it's the video titles, Badass Custom Muscle Cars Compilation, Best of you, Autotopia.
Autotopia.
I'm gonna have a stroke pronouncing this.
Autotopia.
Autotopia.
Yeah.
Have you heard of that word before?
Never in my life. But
yeah, it's my first time.
Hey, I was in London yesterday and I saw a car like this and I was like, wow, like they're so nice, the Chevrolets and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Amazing cars.
Are you into like vintage?
I like the look of it. When I see them, I appreciate it, honestly.
Yeah.
I wouldn't say I'm into it, but I really enjoy seeing them.
I love cars. I love cars, but my knowledge about cars is very limited. You know, you guys, found out in our last American muscle cars vid, we were clueless. You know, we need to up our car game. I've done a tiny bit of research, but like it's gonna take time for me to like fully understand, like horsepower or like the engines and stuff like that. You know, different aspects of our car. It will take time for me to fully grasp it. But yeah, we're gonna dive in there. Smash this like button, sub to our Patreon for exclusive content. Enough talking, let's dive in there.
Let's go.
Ooh. Look at that. Ford Torino.
Look at the engine. Hey! 560 HP, 540 torque.
Yeah.
V8 engine.
That's the horsepower right there, 560.
Yeah.
That's a very powerful engine then.
V8, brother. Do you know what a V8 is?
No, what is it?
Very powerful. That's what it means.
Very powerful. Like you gotta go deeper than that.
I don't know what. I just know it's top spec, but let me know specifically.
The thing that stood out for me is how I don't know how tidy it is, bro. Not a lot of like car bonnets and that, they're very messy with cables everywhere. But this one has been organized in a very tidy way. Love that.
Immaculate way, bro.
Yeah, and I think it's probably refurbished.
It looks beautiful, for sure. 100% refurbished.
Yeah.
This is an old car, so it's been touched up, but by the right mechanics. So shout out to whoever made this car.
With TLC.
Yes, stick.
Look at the sound. Oh, listen to the sound. It's crazy. Fam, it's fast as well, you know.
V8, bro. V8, no joke.
It's a Corvette.
Ooh.
Wow.
This is beautiful.
500 horsepower. Oh, I love the color.
2CR, of course. Jeez.
I think it's a racing car. Oh. Mike, listen to that, bro. Sounds like a beast.
Jeez.
Awesome.
I'm loving this video already, bro.
That's mad, you know.
Yeah, you can tell this car really digs. Oh, it does. A lot of rear bite.
Oh my gosh.
Oh. Look at the suspension at the front. 16 Mercury. 750 plus horsepower, that is insane.
Look at his face.
Wow. Dude.
Let's stop.
Unbelievable.
Oh, rips, man.
TK71 Camaro. Okay, it's got a Ferrari diffuser. That's gonna help. Oh, that's nice. 725 horsepower, supercharged.
Oh, the leather seats are nice. Love the rips.
So I'm going on a road trip on a car like this. It would be a pleasure, bro. I swear that would be one of the best experiences someone can have. You know, especially in America. America has got some of the most beautiful, what was it called, sceneries in that. So yeah, it's only right.
America, he's 24 and he just bought a Corvette.
Well, he's in America.
Yeah, man.
That's crazy.
Shout out to
24 with a Corvette.
Yeah.
Shout
out to my boy, man. He's never gonna see this, but yeah.
So I'm like, what are we doing with our lives then? We are out here, you know, just doing nothing. We got up our game and we need to grind harder, fam.
Don't worry, I'll have an Audi next year, God willing.
Cool. Okay, this is the heavy duty.
We're getting about 1348 at the crank and almost 1,000 to the tire. It smells like moonshine when the thing runs.
This is crazy, bro.
What the hell is that?
To go off, though. Maybe he did it on purpose.
Blown big
1,300 horsepower.
What
the hell? Oh my gosh.
And it's fast. That engine sounds terrifying. Damn.
Wow.
It's crazy. That truck has been fully spec'd out. I'm talking about American sceneries and that.
What?
The scenery.
Scenery are beautiful.
Yeah, you know. This is the Mustang.
Fast and Furious 6.
That's crazy.
It's very brutal. It is loud. It is obnoxious. It's just a Mustang with big old tires and a big old engine, a stick.
Oh, I love the interior.
Poor things like, come on.
Wow.
Oh my god.
Okay, I think that's a Corvette. Oh, it's not a Corvette. It's a Ford.
This is why I don't say that.
It looks like a Corvette, though, right? Slightly.
Not really. I thought it was McLaren at first, bro.
Oh.
Oh my gosh, look at it. Come on.
Man, let's rewind that real quick. What the hell? Look at the inside, fam. The back of it, the half of it comes off. That's mad. There's a lot going on in there.
I've never heard of this car, bro.
Mm.
But Fords do a lot of crazy cars. People just don't talk about them. They're beautiful.
Yeah. Especially their racing cars.
Yeah, they're unbelievable, but I feel like they're just slept on.
I think
not in the racing world, but in the normal people like us don't.
Yeah.
You don't think of a Ford when you think of very fast racing cars, but yeah.
Yeah. Oh, that's nice.
Last thing.
Yeah.
Was it, you know what I love about Ford is they do the most basic cars as well, and they go up to all the way this level. You can't say that for Ferrari, and you can't say that for Lamborghini and stuff. So
Yeah,
the range that Ford have is unbelievable. Which is
yeah, they appeal to a wider audience.
yeah,
You know, both Ferraris and Rolls Royces, you know, they have a specific market, which is the rich market.
for
With
sure.
Ford, anyone can afford it. Well, not everyone, but like most people, at least from the middle class, you know, they can afford.
Ford.
Yeah.
Bravo.
Damn. That's disgusting. I wonder how long it takes, you know, to get from 0 to 60.
Probably like 5.4 seconds.
No, don't guess, Mike.
3.5.
Don't guess.
Or 2.5.
You're just making up numbers. Need for Speed. Oh, I like the wheels. Oh, fam, those wheels are incredible. I love that.
They're 10 out of 10, Nick.
They look nice. Nah, I love that.
Damn.
Oof. Whoa. Chevy. And with these type of cars here, you can't drive them on any road, fam. Because if, you know, especially in the UK, there's a lot of potholes, fam. So, you know, a car this low, you know, you need
It'll
a,
mess up the suspension for sure.
yeah, you need an immaculate mode like this.
Damn.
Kevin Hart.
Roadrunner.
Wait, what? It says Kevin Hart. Is that the name of the brand, or
Yeah, I'm not sure.
or is that Kevin Hart's car?
Demon Motor.
900 horsepower.
Sure. Oh,
Damn.
that sounds like heaven.
No, it sounds like a demon.
Good joke. Oh, mate.
Wow. Oh my. The family thing is flying.
Wow. This is the best truck I've ever seen in my life.
Nah, come on now. America, fam. Everything that America do, it's just over the top, bro.
Truck is scary.
They don't do anything normal. Like they just have to overdo things. Americans.
And I love that for them.
Yeah. This will be perfect like off-roading and that.
Everything. That
Yeah.
car is.
Yeah, it'll be.
That truck is disgustingly nice.
Yeah.
Look at this, man.
If I'm looking at the wheels,
Oh,
it's crazy. It can drift. It's fast. It's powerful.
truck.
I swear down. Ooh. Oh wow! Oh, this is from time ago.
Damn.
This is at least 60 years old, fam. That car.
Oh my god.
Chevy hot rod.
Definitely mad heavy though.
Yeah.
Them old cars were heavy as shit. Imagine Ruffian just drive past me. You're like, what the hell is going on there?
The only problem with these cars is the noise, fam. You know, especially if they're driving on residential areas.
Forget it, man.
Yeah, the neighbors are not going to be
The
very
whole
pleased.
neighbors, bro.
LS7 supercharged. Sounds like it's farting.
It is farting, man. It's got cats.
69 Camaro Widebody.
Pistons one again. Shout out to Detroit.
Oh, fam, that interior is disgusting, bro. Damn.
That's the best interior in the whole video so far.
That's mad.
White. I'm surprised they did that with a white all car. It's very interesting.
Love the colors as well. It's giving me real old school quality granddad vibes.
Clean inside.
Oh, that color is nice. The white and black man goes really well together.
Sounds like a monster. Jeez. Air ride suspension.
American engineering is very unique. Oh, this is clean. Okay. The little kid at the back there. Look at him smiling.
Off. You ain't new to this.
That's perfect.
He's not new to this.
Okay. Autotopia LA. I'm guessing they're like a car dealership, something like that.
All that. They check out cars, but yeah, man, that was a lit video. That's my favorite car video so far by a long shot. Beautiful cars, learned some new names. Yeah, man, loved it.
We need to do, we need to do more research on, especially American muscle cars, fam. For sure. But yeah, if you guys love the reaction, smash the like button. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.